In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Supabase account to Lovable. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, you can click the first link in the description and sign up with a new email to get 25 credits for free. Once you've signed up, you'll see your dashboard. To connect your Supabase account, just go to the connectors option in the left sidebar. Click on it and you'll see several different connectors. Since we want to connect Supabase, I'll search for it at the top. There it is, Quorum. Click on it to see the option to connect Supabase. Simply click it and it will ask for permission to connect. As you can see, it's asking to authorize API access for Lovable. Before that, make sure the Supabase account you want to use is already logged in your browser. This makes the process much faster and smoother. Once you're ready, scroll down to your organization. I have one organization in my account, which is selected by default. Then click Authorize Lovable and wait a few seconds. It is now connecting your Lovable account to Supabase. As you can see, it says connection successful. Your Supabase organization has been linked to your workspace. Just select a project to finish the setup. That's how you connect your Supabase account to Lovable. To learn how to get free credits, click the video on your screen.